Hi everybody, the topic for today is shadows. Yeah, could you see the shadow here? Yes, fine. So let's proceed knowing a little facts on shadows. I hope all of you would have played with your own shadows and you have a very good experience on getting different creatures that you enjoy making out of your hands. Right. So, in general, if we look at the properties of light, we are naturally thinking about the reflection, refraction, scattering, etc. But here, what will happen when the light is blocked on its way? Yes, you're right. We end up in the formation of shadow. That is, have you ever wondered why shadow? It is because of the blocking of light. So it need not be only the sunlight. The light can be of any form. So as you see here, it can be the light from an incandescent bulb, a tube light, or even the light from candle. Just a light source is needed, and the light out of the source is blocked. You end up in the formation of shadows. If you look at here, the formation of shadows has an interesting story. As you see here, when the sun shines on the pole, a shadow of the pole is cast. At different time of the day, the shadow will be at different place. The shadow will have different length. The rotation of the earth on its axis causes the position and length of the shadow to change. So you could see here in the image, this is an early morning cycling shadow. See how lengthy it is. So in general, early morning and in the evening time, you get long shadows, and at midday, the sun is straight above the object, and normally it results in the formation of short shadow. Fine. Optical property of the object also matters. So what do you mean? If only the object is opaque, you get a dark shadow. If it is a translucent object, we get a light shadow, and the transparent one, of course, light passes into it and no shadow. Distance between the light source and the object also matters. So if you keep your object close to the light source, then you can see that the shadow gets bigger. If the same object is moved away from the light source, the shadow gets smaller. Find that something interesting. Shadow and the eclipse. Of course, this eclipse is also a game of shadows. Solar eclipse occurs when the moon's shadow crosses the earth's surface. Lunar eclipse occurs when the moon moves into the earth's shadows. Fine, there's something interesting. Shadow art. Now you go and try your own shadow art, and let's meet up tomorrow. Until then, bye.